Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic is today best life insurance for couple. Best opinion for most couple is to buy separate life insurance policy for each spouse. There are two types of coverage available: term and permanent life insurance. Term of life insurance is sufficient for most families. You can set the length of a term policy to cover you still your kid or growth. Your mortgage is paid off or your family no longer relies on your income. Permanent life insurance. Policies such as whole life typically offer long life coverage and build cash value. However, these policies are generally more expensive than term life insurance. More cash value life insurance is right for you. Joint life insurance policies for couple. In some cases, it may make sense to buy a joint family or insurance policy, often called second to die or survivorship life insurance, that covers both you and your spouse. In general, joint life insurance policies for married couples are a type of permanent life insurance that pays out or both the policies die. The main purpose of the policy is to help cover costs like estate taxes or lifetime care for a child with a disability after both parties die. If any one spouse dies, the suffering spouse does not receive a life insurance death benefit and it's responsible for paying premiums moving forward. Because of this, joint life policies that are best of couple who are financially independent and can cover living costs without the help of a payout. Because a premium for joint life insurance depend on the age and medical histories of both your spouse. On spouse severe medical condition can drive up the cost of the entire policy. However, if you are both healthy, sharing a policy might work in your favor financially because insurance did not have to pay out until both parties die. They spend more years collecting premiums. This translates to lower risk for the insurer and lower rate for you. When you are shopping for joint insurance, compare your quotes with the cost of individual policies. For example, the average amount cost of 20-year term life policy for a healthy 20 years old individual buying $5,000 of average is $334 for man and $282 for women. According to financial technology, meanwhile, a $5,000 whole life policy for the same application is $6,387 per year for men and $5,860 for women on average. Best life insurance policy for children. Children do not typically need life insurance. If you want to over inspected cost or save for your child future, you are usually better off opening a saving account. However, life insurance policy for kids are available if you want to them in general. Then, because policies are form of whole life insurance, which means coverage is available for the child life policies, typically include a cash value component but build slow over time. Some insurers allow you to pay off the policy after 10 to 20 years, which could allow adult children to either claim the cash value of the policy to make out loans against it. In such cases, you can lock in the option to add more coverage in the future, regardless of the child health later in future. If you like this video, please subscribe.